Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Dewalt 20 volt max cordless brad nailer kit. This is 18 gauge. Let's see how well it works. Here I got some wood. Super easy to use. It does come with a Dewalt 20 volt max battery. We get the charger that we can charge these batteries with, and it comes with a nice bag that we can put everything in. Okay, let's talk about the nailer. You're going to open this up like this, put your 18 gauge brad nails in here. Now it will do from 5/8 long to 2 1/8 long. 18 gauge brad nails, that's what you want. Again, super simple. It does have a low indicator. Whenever the brad nails start to run low, that pops out. Easy to put in. If you got a jam, let's open it up, take this out. If you got a jam, right here's where you're going to open it up. You can get that all apart. It does have a release if it gets jammed that way too. Let's put the nails in. I can do multiple nails, so let's do that. Pull the trigger. Got to make sure the battery's on. Now I'm going to go, or I can do single ones. Single ones. All right, push down, it activates it, now pull the trigger. It'll just do one. Okay, let's talk about depth now. You'll see there's a little indicator inside there. You gotta look at this diagram here. If you want the nail farther in the wood, you're gonna turn this wheel right here until that indicator goes this way, which is a little different than what you would think. And then if you want it to go higher in the wood, like stick up, like this one here, you're going to turn the wheel this way, and that indicator is going to move, no, turn it this way, and that indicator moves down that way. A little hard to see that indicator. There's the indicator you're looking for. And we do have some spare bumper pads if you lose that bumper pad. So it does come with a 1.5 amp hour battery. Now the battery doesn't have any kind of indicator to show you the status of the charge. Simply slide it on. It does have a light there. It's very easy to use. Overall tool dimensions with the battery, about 12 inches that way. Oh, about 12 inches that way. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.